Hello, classmate. I like how you started off by talking about a great economist, John Gatlin. I also believe that we should not confuse entrepreneurship with selfishness. Many sins can be traced back to human selfishness. Only in a perfect society has a communist style society worked, and that was in the biblical record. Acts 2 through 5 show what happened after the Pentecost, and how the apostles were leaders of a society of people who owned everything collectively and were equals. This hasn't panned out so well in society that we know because of selfishness and greed. Just look at Venezuela as evidence. I agree that God would not care what economic plan we align with as long as we are committed to God above all else. People should still rein in their selfish, greedy natures because greed is not a trait that the Bible looks favorably upon. Selfishness causes people to ignore both of the commandments that Jesus issued. For one, selfishness causes people to ignore their neighbors, and it also causes people to look to themselves instead of to God for love and support. I also agree that the wealthy have been blessed and they have an obligation because of these blessings. You're right that it is not a sin to be wealthy. As long as people use that wealth to better society and help the poor, then they are justified in their wealth. I'm not talking about the wealthy spreading their wealth like in a socialist society like Bernie Sanders wants, but I'm talking about the wealthy spreading their wealth through charity and taxes. Thank you.